Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Technophile. In this Funland Python series, we're gonna learn Python. Okay, first we're gonna see what is Python. Python is an interpreter, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Python is a programming language which programmers use to code with the programs and execute the programs to do a task like that. Python design philosophy emphasizes code readable with notable use of significant indentation. The main thing in the Python is not the semicolon or like that. The main thing here is indentation. Indentation is giving space between the coding. I'll be saying in the series. Okay, let's go for Python. Get downloaded with the latest version of the Python. I have already installed it in my laptop. Okay, after installing this, okay, I will show how to install. After clicking this, you will automatically start downloading the Python. After get installation with that Python, download pycharm. It's an integrated development environment used in the programming. It's an IDE. IDE means it is easy for the beginners to learn with this pycharm. It is specially for Python by JetBrains. This is the company that have created. This is a Python. See, it's an okay here. I'll say no. Okay. You can use for web development and like scientific tools like NumPy, like that. Cross technology, we can use HTML, CSS, SQL all in this pycharm. Just get the community edition, that's enough for us to learn, not the professional edition, then you should pay for it. Okay, just download it and install in your computer. I'll be opening the pycharm now. Pycharm. Okay, I have when you're learning a programming language, the first command you will be running is hello world. Okay, we will run hello world. This seems to be so dark. I'm gonna change the settings to the light theme so you can see it very clear. Okay, hello world is the in this print statements. What are the passing a value in the double quotes, you will get printed down. Okay, I'm gonna type my name and run. Okay, I got hello world and Vasant. The new line, when you're giving it in the same line, you will not get in the new line. It will be printed in the same line. On using slash and command will print it in the new line. Slash and command is used for printing the statements in the new line. Okay, this is all about the print statement. Then I will show input function. Input, what is your name? Running this, see here the cursor is blinking here to get an input from us. Okay, I will type my name. Just finished. the input function is just to get the input from the user, but here we are not storing it anywhere, so that we will declare a variable that keeps on varying, and it now this x will act as an storage. We will print here, okay, what's your name? Will type my name. See, my name is gets printed. The x here is called as a variable that varies time to time. Input we are getting here, just we are printing what is the name and getting the input from the user and storing it in the x. In the next line we are printing the x here. Okay, if we assign x equal to 4, let us see what's it printing now. I will type my name. It gets printed 4. This is because the last assigned to that variable, the value will be printed here. The two variables can have the value, but it will store the last edited value. Okay. Have learned you print function, input function, and what is on variable. Then the important thing in the programming is debugging, where I will show you with the hello world itself. I will run this. We got hello world here. What happens if I does not give double quotes here? It throws an error message here. Okay, while having an error in the programming, what you should do, just copy the error and just paste it in the Google here. Stack Overflow. Most of the programmers used Stack Overflow to get cleared their doubts. Okay, well, see here. How long is this thing is really? Without ending and semicolon. Okay, this error UIL while scanning the string literal, what you have left as double quotes, you have left in the ending. This how the programmers will debug their code. This is very important in the programming. 90% of the programmers lag in debugging. That's why they fail. Okay, all about the first day is we have seen print function and the input and the variable, how the variable works and how they store, and the debugging part. The very important part is that debugging part. Okay, thank you then. Until then, bye from Vasan.